What's up YouTube? So this is your homeboy Josh back again with another Scratch video, and for today I'm going to be teaching you how to create a simple start menu for a game in Scratch. So basically I have added a backdrop right here, which is this is called the blue sky. So the next thing you want to do, you want to add a sprite, okay, preferably a button of course, and let's edit this sprite real quick. Yeah, let's put text in there, start. Let's just change the color to white. Okay, let's just change the font so that it looks cool. All right. So we have the start button right here. Should fit. All right. So go back to code. So the first thing you want to do is when the sprite is clicked, then want to broadcast start game. Yeah, this one. And then you want to hide the button, of course, because you don't want it blocking the whole game. So after this one, you want to do this blocks also. Show. All right. Show. Where's that show? Okay, it looks in here. So when you press this one, it disappears. But when you press the green flag, it appears so that you can start the game. So that's how easy it is to create a start menu for your game in Scratch. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe. This is your buddy Josh of Basic Value. I'm going to be seeing you in the next one. Peace out.